name is Sharmila Thanki, and I've started this salon industry from 2011. My first branch was in Malad, which was in Mumbai. Okay, so from there I started 2011, and now it's been 13 to 14 years, and we have like a lot of salons all over India. So around 20 21 branches we have in all India. And yeah, this is the like what I can say about that. We have a brand which is like very premium category which we are catering, and also we are using the best quality products. We don't compromise in products, also hygiene. And my keyword is also, you can say, the look of the salon is like wow. The moment people see, it looks wow, and then they want to try. And the best part is my services are so good that my client, they keep coming back. you know so, and I was living before, before 2011, I was living in New York. So when I was living in New York, I saw there were so many nail salons all over USA. You just go one step and you see the salon for nails. Okay, but when I shifted back from New York to Mumbai, there were no places, like only one or two place. So now then I started, and now it's the big business has become so big. Like now everybody is doing this nails business now. Before there was no one, but now there are so many because it's increasing. Now people are understanding that this hands are also equally important. So that is the reason I feel this is going more better and more better. We are opening even more branches all India. So people are loving my work, and people are just loving the way we work. The rates, yeah, rates are also very reasonable. It's like we have offers, we have membership. So when you take the membership, you get discounts 20%, and our rates are not. It's like it's not too high because everybody can pay that much. So it's like nominal. We have kept the prices. We haven't kept like too high. So anybody can come and do their services. Membership, we charge 2,000 for 3 years. Yeah, and that is applicable for 20% discount. You get it. I don't compromise. That's my first biggest USP. And second, my USP is the way we work, the process. Even if we hire people from out, they have to be trained from us. So that is my USP second. Like everybody has to be trained, whether they are pedicurists or nail technicians, they have to get trained by us the way we want. And my third USP is also we are doing multiple services. Before we used to do only nails and manicure pedicure. Now we have introduced a lot of services, like we are doing nails, we're doing lashes, we are doing lifting, then we are doing microblading, which is like permanent makeup. Even the lips we do permanent makeup, and we do lashes, and there are many services which we have launched more. And we have so many international pedicure sections where we do all international pedicures. We don't have local brand, we have all international brand. So that is also one of my USP. And also we have two my like we have our own product brand also. So we have our own product brands like this TNT, which we are using all these TNT, this all the brands, like even this, you can say, the gel. So this is all, the brand is mine. Like we also into products which we supply all India, and also we use it for in our own salons. And fourth, my USP is the look of the salon. It's like wow, that is one of my USP. And then people come and try the service, and then they love it, and then they come back. So that is also my, and also we have a lot of Google reviews, so people just see the Google review and come. So that is also one of the USP, and we take Google reviews all over my branches. Wherever my branches are, I get around 4.8 to 4.9 rating in my Google. So you can go and check each and every branch in India. So that is also, I think, one of the USP, because people see, nobody nowadays, nobody, of course, people just give references, but the main thing is people just see the Google rating and then they want to come, they want to try. So I think this is the most important Google ads or Google reviews, which we give a lot of importance, which people don't do that. So the whole thing, with the manicure pedicure process, we have the way we do the process is also completely designed by me. So that is also one of my very key USP, which people never get pedicure, manicure the way we work. You will never get anywhere in India. So that is my very big USP. And we not only doing nail services. So what happens? My 40% my ratio or 30% is only pedicure from the entire 100%. If you calculate, my 40% is pedicure, manicure, and 60% is nails. So that is my biggest USP of my manicure pedicure, which people love it. And we have a lot of celebrity clients in Bombay. Even in South, we have like Samantha, Rashmika Mandana. They all are clients in Bombay. Whenever they come to Bombay, they all come to our branches. So which, and also not only celebrities, also we have industrial, all big Birlas, Poonawala's, Natasha Poonawala. There are many multi-millionaire brands. I mean, they all are my clients in Bombay. So even they travel wherever in India, they definitely visit my branch. So of course that is also a very big USP.
You have any brand ambassador?
Huh?
Brand ambassador.
What I'm not.
Brand ambassadors.
No, we don't have any brand ambassador. We don't believe in brand ambassador. I feel that my work should speak. I don't want to, I never call celebrity to cut the ribbon and all. Never. Because I feel my this is what my thoughts. The work should speak. I don't want to speak myself about my place. I want people to talk about my place. So that is what I believe in.
All your products are naturals or organic?
Organic. No, they are not, but there are some products which are organic and vegan free, but not all the products like we have. But one more thing, what we have a USP is also, like in the gel polish, you're not putting gloves. She put gloves and sunscreen. You did. So where is it? I can't see. So this is also one of the USP. See, there are so many USP, I can tell you. My coffee, the way we make coffee is like nobody makes coffee. Like we make manual coffee. We don't make machine coffee. So people, there are my clients. They come only to drink so many times coffee. You know what I'm trying to tell you? And everything we use, even in hygiene, if you talk about hygiene, we use disposable, we sterilize, we every client we use a sterilization, we do it. And then we are very particular about the hygiene level. And you won't believe it, like 13, 14 years it's been my brand is, but we not got single complaint for fungus or infections or something like that, because we completely, after every client we do sterilization. So that is also one of the USP, which I never got one complaint. See what happens, there are places, okay, they use cheap products, okay, and they give you less price. But then you get fungus, infections, and then polish chips. So which never happens in our places. So which is also one of the USP.
So do you organize Mehendi function?
What?
Mehendi
Yeah,
function.
outdoor function.
Yeah, out of
Outdoor events.
yeah, of course, yeah, we do events, yeah, of course, we do baby shower, we do then pre-wedding, bridal pre-wedding, spa treatment and all that, and we also do birthdays. Yeah, yeah, which party? Sprinster, yeah, sprinster party we do, like multiples, whatever people are required, we do. We also do a lot of shoots. We go to shoots also. Many shoots we've been doing it. Like for many celebrities, we go. to do the shoot. In the shoot, we do the service, and we also doing home service also. We are also doing home service. So if people can't travel and people can't come, we also go home and do the services. But for that, we charge double because going, coming, and that's why.
This is a 21st stall outlet.
Huh?
21st outlet.
Yeah, like if you, we are in Chennai, we are in Kochi, now Bangalore, we are in Bangalore, uh, we are in Goa, Pune, Delhi, Ahmedabad. I have 3 branch. Bombay I have around 7 to 8 branches. Then we are there in Bombay, Thane, Belapur, which is Vashi, the new Bombay, and then we have Mohali. Now we started giving Punjab also. So, and we are coming up even 2, 3 branches, even more in this year, or maybe more.
All your outlets are your own or franchisee?
No, there are 10 to 12 branches are mine. Only 8 I have given franchisee.
What about your expansion plan in Tamil Nadu?
Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't started. Oh, no, we've already been there. Now this is Tamil Nadu, right? Chennai is Tamil Nadu.
Your
So,
plan of expansion.
Expansion.
we don't mind expanding, but
So do you have a plan of giving franchisee to other?
yeah, we are. If people are ready to take franchises, yes, we are open to give franchisee. That's no problem. So we have that also, right? Our products are, what do you call, the halal,
The lacquers are 100% vegan.
vegan.
Oh.
These all the lacquers.
And we have even invented our
TNT, yeah.
Schwetzner and cuticle oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are all vegan.
Maybe these may maybe your USP.
Yeah. So this
Because
brand, which is
most of the
OPI,
brands are not using the vegan product for
Yes.
their clients. So this
We are only using the
we are
Yeah.
only the using, and also this brand which is called OPI, which is American company. So this is a very popular brand, and we use all my branches, and we also have a all products also for in OPI, same brand.
thank you. And
So-
do you have any online services for booking?
Yeah,
Yeah,
of
yeah.
course, yes. You
Yeah,
you,
Google and customer
you can
website.
add on Google.
Okay.
You can check any branch here. You just put the city also, just put Tipento Nail Lash Pro. You will see the city wise also, you can check, and yeah.
Once you get a membership, you will go to any shop.
Yeah, any. It's a centralized membership. You can use it anywhere in India.